This is the vehicle that will bring your package to Las Vegas right before it gets lost, but it does so in style. Because when this first came out in 1971, it had a lot of innovative features that I would like to tell you about. It was the first twin-engine wide-body jet. It was the first to introduce fly-by-wire architecture. It was the first wide-body jet to introduce a two-crew cockpit. It was the first wide-body jet to incorporate composite materials into the fuselage. And if you were to cut the beak and the tail off of that thing, you could put it onto an A330. Unbelievable. And while this just might be a relic of aviation's past, nearly every twin-engine wide-body jet owes its existence to the innovation of Airbus of the 1970s.
This reminds me of 155, RIP.
Oh, that's right. Oh, 155, that was the Birmingham one. Gosh, you got a great eye, but... Alright, back on the point. The world laughed at the idea of having a wide body with two engines. They went up against tri-jets, quad jets, and a huge gamble was taken on the part of Airbus. But look at us today. All you see nowadays is twin-engine heavy jets, and that's where this all came from. The Airbus A300. Love that plane. And you love it too, whether you thought you did or not. Peace.